Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the second half of October. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Virgos. Okay, again the Chariot, the Ten of Cups, the Nine of Swords, the Justice, Page of Cups, Two of Wands, the Strength, the Eight of Wands, the Eight of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Four of Cups, okay, the Queen of Pentacles, let's see what is the message for you from this deck. Okay, Four of Hearts, guidance from the angels, okay, now seeing clearly. So Virgos, what I'm getting here is, as the first thing, with the Chariot and the Ten of Cups, what I feel here is that either you rushed into a relationship, or some things happened very fast and you are into a relationship. Basically what I am getting again and again is that you rushed into a relationship very fast. You rushed, both of you rushed, but there is a relationship over here in which it's like you met and you decided to stay together, sort of a thing. Things happened very fast over here in this relationship, and you are into a relationship very fast. And here with the Nine of Swords, the Justice, now, and once you are into this relationship, now you realize that there is something which is hurting you a lot, which you didn't expect. It's hurting you a lot. It's causing you a lot of anxiety, a lot of what I'm getting here is, it is a consequence of rushing in very fast into a relationship which isn't as good as you thought to be, but somehow you want to perhaps make it work, or you are looking for a ray of hope, either to make it work or even perhaps out of it. I'll see if you want to get out of it as we move forward, but there is something still which is positive. Actually, that's what I would like to put it as. For now, there is a lot of anxiety, there is a lot of tension, things are not what you expected them to be, but there is still some ray of hope. Now we'll see as the reading progresses that this ray of hope is trying to balance or mend this thing, or what it is. So here, followed by the Justice card, the Page of Cups and the Two of Wands. See, here what I am getting is that though you are trying to find a way out, but you are yourself amazed and shocked at how things are actually, because they were unexpected. You yourself are feeling a little shocked as to how things are and how to balance them, though you are trying to balance this situation or your life. Okay, you're trying to balance something, definitely. One more thing is that you are perhaps not showing that anxiety and that tension to the other person. This is also what I'm, though deep within you are not as happy as you thought you will be, but you are not showing that. So, under the surface, you are not happy. Deep within, you are not happy, but you are showing, and I think that is the balance you are trying to maintain. You're not that happy, but you are trying to show that you are happy. And that is the balance you are trying to maintain over here. Maybe you are trying to balance the relationship also, but and that is why you are trying to show that you are happy even if you are not. Maybe that is what you think is the right way that you will be able to handle it for some reason. See, I think that this person is, whosoever this person is, you are waiting for this person. Perhaps this person is not giving you that much of time, can be some reason, because I see this person is more invested in something else. With the Page of Cups, that's what I'm getting. This person has is something else on his mind. This person has something else on his mind, and here you are waiting for this person sort of to focus on you, to come back home, something like that. And that is perhaps the reason. Perhaps this person is not giving you enough time for whatever reason it is. Perhaps you feel alone. Even if things started beautifully, but this is how and maybe for whatever time they meet you, you try to show that you are happy, even if you are not. This person has something else on the mind. It can be some work, it can be anything, I don't know what it is. But this person is in the world of their own, focused on something else, not focused on you. And here you are waiting for them for long hours, days, months, whatever, I don't know. But here you are longing to meet them or to talk to them, perhaps. Okay, and here we have the Strength, the Eight of Wands, the Eight of Swords. Again, you are trying to balance the situation with a lot of strength. And with the Eight of Swords, again I'm saying, getting the same thing, that you are perhaps not showing them how much bad you are feeling. Because with the Eight of Wands, what I feel is whenever they talk to you, you talk nicely, you behave nicely, you give them your 100% here with the Eight of Wands. But with the Eight of Swords, you are not feeling as good as you are trying to show. So for whatever time they give you, whatever time they talk to you, you try to give your 100%, not showing them what you're feeling deep within. You don't want to show them that cage of yours, okay? You want to show that you're okay, though you are not. And here with the Three of Pentacles, you are trying to divert your mind on something, perhaps with your family or with your friends. That's what I'm getting. Though with the Four of Cups, You are again waiting and waiting for them. You are waiting for them. But what I'm getting here is with the Three of Pentacles and with the Queen of Pentacles, this is the way you are trying to deal with this life of yours, that you are trying to be with your friends and family and trying to spend time alone, and ultimately you are able to sort of deal with it. That's what I'm getting. So the main goal here is that you are trying to balance this relationship itself by smiling whenever they meet you, giving, not showing what you are feeling, and somehow you are ultimately sort of accepting this way of life finally. That's what I'm getting. You're trying to deal with it and take it in your stride. And here I see that slowly and slowly you are becoming comfortable with the way it is. And here with the Four of Hearts, it's hesitancy, some sort of hesitancy definitely is there. And this is the hesitancy. There is some reason, something which you are hesitant about, that you are not opening up to this person and you are not letting them know how you feel. Seeing clearly, it's time to view things from a different perspective. You have a blessed gift to see the past, the current situation, and envision amazing possibilities. Don't worry, the pause in the moment while you rethink your plans won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. So perhaps this situation, you are able to tide over the situation, and perhaps with the time you are able to deal with it in a better way. Maybe this is a phase which you think, if you give it time, will pass away, because that's what you are doing. Maybe it is just a pause in the momentum, and that is what you are thinking, and that is what you are doing. Because here with the Queen of Pentacles, I don't see that you are upset over here. Here you are not upset. You are learning to deal with it in some way. So obviously you want to maintain this relationship. So maybe you are just wishing that if this person is now more focused on their work or something like that, because I'm not getting any negative vibe. This person has a mind somewhere else. But perhaps you think that once they will be over with this, they will be back to you and will be focusing on you. Perhaps that is the reason that you are trying to make it happen and deal with it. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.